Let's look at the basic principles of 4-stroke and 2-stroke petrol engines. This is a cylinder for a 4-stroke petrol engine. The first step is to get the air-fuel mixture into the chamber. Mixture enters through an inlet port that is opened and closed by an inlet valve. This is called intake. Next is compression. The piston compresses the air-fuel mixture into a smaller volume. A spark across the electrodes of a spark plug ignites it and it burns. This burning is called combustion. The burning gases expand rapidly and push the piston down the cylinder until it reaches bottom dead center. The reciprocating action of the piston turns into the rotary motion of the crankshaft. The crankshaft forces the piston back up the cylinder, pushing leftover gases out past an exhaust valve. And everything is back where it started, ready to repeat the whole process. The whole process is a cycle. A new mixture enters and is ignited. Combustion occurs, expanding gases drive the piston down and turn the crankshaft, which pushes the piston back up the cylinder. These 5 events occur in all internal combustion engines. How they happen can change, but they are always there. In one 4-stroke cycle, the crankshaft does 2 revolutions. In those 2 revolutions, how many strokes does the piston make? It does 4 strokes. Out of those 4 strokes, how many actually produce energy? In one 4-stroke cycle, only 1 stroke out of 4 delivers new energy to turn the crankshaft. Let's look at the principles of the 2-stroke petrol engine. The 2-stroke petrol engine is different from the 4-stroke petrol engine. In a 2-stroke engine, the inlet and exhaust ports are opened and closed by the movement of the piston. But it is still an internal combustion engine and has the 5 events common to all such engines. Intake occurs when the air-fuel mixture enters the crankcase. It's then transferred from the crankcase to above the piston. Compression, forcing the mixture into a small volume. Ignition, when the spark from the spark plug ignites the mixture and it burns. Power, where energy released by combustion generates the force that turns the crankshaft. And exhaust, removing leftover gases. As in all internal combustion engines, these 5 events must occur, but not always in the same way. The whole process is a cycle. A new mixture enters and is ignited. Combustion occurs. Expanding gases drive the piston down and turn the crankshaft, which pushes the piston back up the cylinder.